In this video, I'll demonstrate how to film yourself installing our flow controllers for shower heads to get certified. To be certified, it's important to have someone film you while you're doing the installation and speaking to the camera. You can use our written instructions that are on the certification board, noting the most important parts. The two most important parts of installing a shower flow controller are removing the plastic restrictor in the shower head and using the proper size flow controller. Now, I'll be demonstrating the person being filmed for certification. For this project, you'll need channel locks, needle nose pliers, a screwdriver, plumber's tape, and the flow controller. The flow controller has a special number on the side that's your reference to make sure you're using the right one in the right place. The first step is to remove the shower head. Use the flats here with your channel locks so you don't scratch the shower head. When unscrewing the shower head, you may want to use two hands, putting your thumbs underneath so that you don't drop the shower head and break it. The next step is to remove the internal plastic restrictor. This step is critical to make sure that the flow controller works properly. Place the shower head on a towel so that you don't damage the counter or the shower head. If the shower head has a screen before the restrictor, it needs to be removed. The next step is to remove the internal restrictor. You can see the green restrictor here. The quickest and easiest way to remove it is to pop it out with either a screwdriver or a pair of pliers. You can use your pliers for it and just pop it out like this. When it's out, you may still see a visible ring, but it's out. Once the restrictor has been removed, take the proper size flow controller and install it on the shower head. If the owner or hotel management wants you to use plumber's tape, apply the plumber's tape first before installing the shower head. The next step is to install the shower head with the flow controller back onto the pipe, again using tape if required. Install it hand tight, then use channel locks on the flats of the shower head, not the flow controller. Tighten it just about a quarter turn. You don't need to over tighten it. Certain shower flow controller installations require them to be tamper resistant. To do that, use liquid super glue or something similar. You only need 1 or 2 drops, putting it on the pipe, not on the flow controller, so that when the flow controller is installed, it's fixed to the pipe, not to the shower head. If it goes on the flow controller, you're not going to be able to remove it, making it difficult to change shower heads in the future.